Welcome back to Mod Wheels. Today we're doing something a little different. No modding today, if you can't tell by the title or the thumbnail already. We are doing an unboxing, and it isn't the car culture unboxing. It is the Porsche Targa RLC unboxing. I figured might as well film it. I'm not really wanting to do unboxings on this channel, but for something special, that the first RLC that comes with a chase. Well, I shouldn't say the first. This isn't the first one, apparently. I guess there was one way before my time where I got heavy into Hot Wheels that had a Camaro one that kind of flopped. So I guess there's that one. I haven't really looked into that. I just saw a couple people post about it on the internet. And but anyways, these are the first ones back, and I do like a lot of the Porsches that come out. I got a lot of Porsches in my collection, so I was really pumped to add at least the root beer to the collection, and then maybe a chase. I would love to have one. I don't know if I can keep one, but I would love to have one. And the FOMO, if you will, got the best of me. If you will, did I say wheel? Talking's hard. FOMO got the best of me, and I bought a second box. So I have 4. So say what you will, what you think on that. Not the brightest I mean, maybe it was a good decision because they're all selling pretty well. So call me what you want. Scalper. We'll see if we can score. Let's get to opening these up. That's enough talking. Let's at least get the boxes within the boxes open. Oops. I guess I'll use this camera, because the other one you can't see. And 1 and 2. Is that not taped? Yeah. Huh. Alright, so first thing, did notice this one doesn't have tape on it. Everybody gets real weird about the tape, so I don't know what that means. Always come in these nice shipping boxes. There she is. Porsche 911 Turbo 3.3 Targa. And apparently none of these numbers have mattered. I've been watching people open these to see, which I kind of feel like it'd take away from the excitement if you could tell by the numbers. That'd be no fun. What do we think? I'm usually, I'd say, a pretty lucky guy. Oh, Jesus, here we go again. Here we go again. Right when we're really just getting into it. Come on, dude. What's up? You're going to be my good luck charm, maybe? Oh, Jesus. Can't get nothing done. Can't get nothing done. Oh. What are we gonna do, buddy? We got a show to do. We have a show to do. And we got Porsches to open. Which one you want to open? Seems like that one. He's gonna get his fluff all. I just cleaned here. What do we think? I think we go on anyways. We let my guy, that's my guy Little Oat. If I haven't introduced him before, we'll just let him hang out while we open these up. I guess I could just cut this thing, but of course I trimmed my fingernails and I can't. Okay, well, I tried. We'll just cut it. What do you think? Yeah, let's try to do this so we don't. That's just inappropriate, cat. We're gonna open it away from us, because we all know. Well, I don't know if we all know, but they do have different boxes, so you should know as soon as you open it if you got a chase or not. And oh, that's that is the non-chase. That is the root beer. Damn. That root beer is so good. I'm sorry we have a cat in the background, but I got stuff to do, so I can't wait on this guy to finish his bath. Anyways, here's the root beer version. Man, that thing's so good. Yeah, I dig that. Might have to get one out of the case. What do you think? Go here. And usually I don't know if I just said it. I'm usually a pretty lucky guy. I would consider, I know my friends say it all the time, so I'm hoping we can get lucky on this one. Maybe this guy. Nope. Another root beer one. It's all right. Got two more. Come on. Come on, baby. Pull this away from me. Yeah, I know. I can't get it out. Stop looking at me. Another root beer. All right, last chance. Last chance. Come on. Let's get lucky. I just said how lucky I was, and then I'm not gonna get lucky. I'm looking away. No luck today. No luck today. Just the root beer ones. That's all right. Let's go ahead and pop this dude open. Well, I hate these cases. I guess we're just doing this whole thing with my guy Little Oat just in the way. Actually, wow, these open a little better than the last couple. And there goes the roof. That's what I wanted to show. Yeah, that thing is so good. Pop the old roof off. Got a little Targa top. And what do you guys think about the new Porsche Targa? What do you guys think about the RLC chases? Think it's a good idea, bad idea on Mattel? I really don't I don't care too much about it. Like, it does suck because this one sold out really quick, and I know a lot of people were mad. I was able to get some. I do have overdrive, so that makes it a little easier. You know, I don't know. I don't try to buy into the hype too much on stuff like this, but we'll see how it goes. You guys hit a chase? Let me know down in the comments. And Jesus, Little Oat. Let me know what you guys think of my guest for today. Did he do good? Maybe he'll be back. Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully I see you on the next one. Never fails. Every time I want to make a video, there is someone showing up to bother me. What do you think, dude? We get a chase? And now you're nuzzling the camera. Jeebus. Is there a chase in there? Can you smell it? Buddy, come here.